I can assure you that you will be the winner in the next few draws. Hi friends, throughout the history, the number 7 has been connected with luck, perfection and attainment of knowledge. So I put a new trick for you and got amazing results. Friends, in 649 or 549 game, there are 5 serials that are 1 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39 and 40 to 49. Now what is the easiest method for your jackpot winning? There are 4 steps. Please look at carefully, and also I will give you an example for your better understanding. In first step you can read it. You will observe the previous 7 draws result and see the which serial is coming most. In second step, you should not select the numbers in serials for the coming draws that have come in previous 7 draws. In third step friends, check out the serials that came out the least or did not in previous 7 draws. And in last step, choose the 2 serials that come out the least in previous 7 draws and choose your 5 or 6 favorite numbers in them. Let me give you an example for your better understanding. Friends, this is Mahzooz lottery result, previous 7 draw result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these are serials. In these results, according to our first step, we will see the serials which has come most in the previous 7 draws. Okay, first we see 1 to 9. 1 to 9, count the pairs that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 times the numbers came from 1 to 9 in previous 7 draws. Next we will see from 10 to 19, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 numbers came from 10 to 19. Next 20 to 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 times the numbers came from 20 to 29. Next 30 to 39, count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The numbers came from 30 to 39 that are most 11 times. In the last 40 to 49, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times the numbers came from 40 to 49. Now see the maximum numbers. Number 1 is 1 to 9 and number 2 is 30 to 39 and number 3 is 6 times, that is 20 to 29. Now we will see the least numbers came from which serial, that is 10 to 19, 10 to 19 and 40 to 49. 5 time numbers came 40 to 49. Now for the coming draws, you should select 3 numbers between 10 to 19 and 2 numbers between 40 to 49, because the numbers came between 10 to 19 in previous 7 draws, that are 4, and in 40 to 49 that are 5. So 3 numbers select in 10 to 19 and 2 numbers select in 40 to 49. Friends, this is the method you can also apply in any lotteries which is 649 or 549. I can assure you that you will be the winner in the next few draws. Goodbye.